So previously we have created this simple React application where it will fetch data from the API and then the users will be rendered right here. And then also we have created this delete button. We can delete all of these individual users one by one, or we can use this button to delete all the users from this list. Now to delete all the users, we are dispatching this action delete all user, and we have defined that reducer in the user slice. So under this reducer we have defined delete all user, which removes all the users from the users array. So now we're gonna see how we can remove all the users from this list of users, but this time we're going to use the ExtraReducers to implement the logic, and also we're going to talk about the advantages of using this ExtraReducer. So for this we have to define one Thunk to delete all the users. So here we're going to define that const delete all users, and to create the Thunk we're going to use the createAsyncThunk, and the action will be user slash delete all users. And here we're going to define one asynchronous callback function, because we are only using this Thunk to create the action and to handle this inside this ExtraReducer. So here we do not need API call, simply we're going to return one empty array. So once done with the createAsyncThunk, then the action will be handled in the ExtraReducer. So here in the ExtraReducer we're gonna add another case, and the case will handle delete all users. So we're gonna add the case, so builder.add case. So here delete all users dot fulfilled. So if that is fulfilled, then we're gonna run the callback function with the state, and here we're just gonna simply modify the users array, and we're gonna assign one empty array, and this way it will clear all the user from the array. So we have created the Thunk, and also we have defined the case in the ExtraReducer. Now in order to use this in our user list component, we must export this. So here we're gonna export the delete all users Thunk. Now inside the user list, so first of all we have to import this delete all users. So here we're gonna import delete all users from the user slice, and then here on click of this button we're gonna dispatch delete all users. So here if we refresh, so first of all we have the list of users. Now we can delete users individually, and we can click on this button and you can see all the users removed from the list. So the function is working properly, but this time we are using ExtraReducer to remove all the users. Now there are several advantages of using ExtraReducer. First of all, so the reducers can handle synchronous logic, and the logic will be directly related to this slice only. So in this case the user slice, so the reducers will only apply to this specific user slice. Where now in case of the ExtraReducer, they can handle actions outside of this slice. That means this delete all users action can be handled from other slices also. It is not applicable to this slice only. And also because we are using the Thunk, so here also we can perform asynchronous operations, like we can perform API calls. So we can say that the ExtraReducers are essential when we need more flexibility. That means the ExtraReducers can handle actions from other slice also. So the ExtraReducers provide more flexibility because they can handle actions from other slices also. So if multiple slices need to delete all the users, then we can use and define them in the ExtraReducer. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.